What's up, guys? This is Dr. O from Innovative Dental. It is great to see your smiling face, and you've probably been a while since you've seen me in my car, the Dental Drive. Obviously, same car. And I'm just excited to share with you. I wanted to answer a question about dental implants. The main one we get for when we're talking about like restoring a whole mouth or a whole arch, upper or lower arch with implants, is how many implants are you going to place? Basically, I get what people are probably asking. They're wanting to know how many implants they're gonna have to buy. I'll get that out of the way real quick. At Innovative Dental, we do not charge per implant. So the great news for you is we're gonna place the correct number of implants for you. That gets into the answering the second question, how many? So if you're not charging me per implant, how many do I really need? By the way, Dexter, say hello. Or not. Okay, anyways, how many do you really need? And we're gonna place as many as we possibly can based off of the quality of bone and where your smile needs to be at. So we're going to optimize it for you, which I think is, in my opinion, the best way to treat a patient. Is really, you're an individual, you have a unique smile, unique amount of bone, your lip line. All of these factors are going to come into play when we decide how many implants you're going to get. So these ideas of like All-on-4 or All-on-6 are fine, but they may not be the best solution for you. So that's why you want to come to Innovative Dental or any other office that offers this. But I'm obviously going to tell you to come see me. I'd want to see you smile and help you out. And so we have some awesome team members at our office that are going to love to meet you and go over all of this in your consultation. So go to yoursmiledestination.com. If you're in the Springfield area, just give us a call. You can call us too if you're out of state, but we're always going to direct you to go to yoursmiledestination.com. If you're in the Springfield, Missouri area, you can just give us a call at 417-889-4746. But that's a great question, I think, to answer, is how many implants do you need? Are you going to place minimum of 4, maximum of probably 8? So that gives you the range. So now you know how many implants you need to hold a nice upper arch smile or a lower arch smile. We'll go over the details in person when you come to our practice. You have an awesome day, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.